Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we are live here at Osu Night Market. It is my first time here and I already love this place. I'm smelling good food here. Alright, so we are about to try the first food and I've seen a vendor just behind me. She's selling my favorite. We have to get to her and ask her questions about what she does, what exactly she sells. Hello!
Hi.
Take me through what you have. What's your name? First of all, who are you?
Sarah.
Sarah.
I roast salmon, tilapia, bala, and red fish.
Oh wow!
LEMUEL.
It smells good already.
It tastes good too.
It tastes good.
Yeah.
Can I try some?
Oh yeah, you can
Which
try
one?
it.
Which one can I try?
This one.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Charlie, it looks good already. What is it that you just put on it?
Ginger.
This is ginger.
Yeah, ginger, onion, and garlic.
Okay, so everything is mixed here.
Yeah, it's mixed.
Oh wow. And then what is in there?
Pepper, red pepper.
Red pepper.
Yeah.
Why does it look this red? How do you grind it or
Yeah,
what?
yeah. I grind it with my own hands in asanka.
You put it in asanka and then you grind it.
Yeah, with my own hands.
Ah, okay. The food looks good already. It smells good, and I'm loving what I'm getting. Yeah. So let's see what she has to.
Okay. Now I'm ready.
Look, smells good, like really good. Good food, good food. Come to Osu Night Market. Come here, look for Sarah. Sarah is going to show you what she has. First of all, hold on, let me taste and then note this before I can tell you what to do when you come here. So Sarah, how do I eat this? Maybe you guys have a special way of eating it. How do you go about it?
You can eat it yourself.
Anyhow?
Yeah.
I can just
with
swallow
your own style.
I can swallow the fish.
Yes, don't worry, yeah.
And when I swallow the fish, it won't touch my stomach.
No, it won't do you anything.
Hey, okay. Why is this place called Night Market?
Because it's a night market. Like people used to come here and buy in the evening, so it's a night market. Yeah, it's like normal.
Sarah.
Yes, yeah.
Please, you are going to pack 5 for me. I'll take 5 home.
Don't worry.
It is good. Woo! Sarah.
Can I taste it myself?
The thing is touching my soul. It's not just touching my stomach, but it's touching my soul. So I've tasted the fish. Fish is so good. This is the secret. What is this that you have in this bowl?
Spices, ginger, garlic, and onion.
Ginger, garlic, and onion.
Yeah, that's all.
And that is what makes this whole fish soup.
Yeah.
So if I'm at home and I add ginger, garlic, and onion, will I get the same thing?
Yeah, excellent.
Excellent.
I can see you are enjoying it.
I'm not leaving anything behind.
Oh.
Including the pepper. I'm going to rub the pepper and then I'll take it with me. You feel me?
Yeah. We take orders.
Okay.
If you want order, you can come for Sarah.
Okay.
And I can give you my number.
So are we ordering you as a person or we are ordering the fish?
The fish, not me.
I thought you wanted to order you.
Hey, why?
But say if you want
to order. If you want to order fish.
Okay.
Fishy.
Okay.
Not me, please. Okay. I don't have off day. I don't have holiday. I work Monday to Monday.
So this market works every day of the week?
Yeah, every day.
So if I come tomorrow,
you get food.
I'll get to eat. I'll fill my stomach.
Don't worry, we there for you.
You there for me, sharp, sharp.
Tell me
what you think about Sarah's place. I like her place. Her fish tastes good, like really, really good. I won't lie about it. Her pepper,
26. Yeah. This is Ajoko Banku joint.
Ajoko
Banku.
Ajoko Banku joint. Please say it louder. Let them hear it.
Ajoko Banku joint.
Ajoko special Banku, special one. Special. If you go any other place, you get the Banku like this. Ajoko. The name alone is telling you how special it is. Okay. And what does it come with?
Hot pepper.
Hot pepper?
Yeah.
Hot one?
Yes. Not too hot.
So if I eat it right now, I'll start sweating?
Yes.
It will ginger me?
To ginger you.
Yeah. How many balls do you think? Looking at me, look at me.
I think 3 balls will be okay.
3 balls?
3 balls.
Don't mind about you.
3 balls.
I eat a lot.
3 balls will be okay.
I think I can eat 5.
Yeah. No.
5?
5 is too much.
So should I challenge right now?
Yes.
We should put 5 down.
Yes.
Okay, now serve me 1 and let me see how the one will go first. What time of the day do you come here?
I'm here around 4.
You are here around 4.
Yes.
And the banku is prepared. Where do you prepare it?
Here.
Everything is done
Yes,
here?
everything is done
So
here.
when I come around 4, I'll see you stirring the banku.
I'm here. You
and
see
when I
me
come,
here.
I can also stir the banku some.
Yes.
Allah.
This is one bowl.
This is one bowl.
Yes.
Oh, then I can eat 10 though. I'm going to try the first bowl. And then we'll see whether it's true that I can go with 5 or 10. Yeah? Okay. So let's go. You put, what goes into your pepper?
What fish do you want to eat it with?
Oh, you give me your special. Give me your special. So this is onion. You add
Yes,
the onion.
I'll add the onion
Okay.
and one sardine for you.
One sardine.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what about if I don't like sardine? Do you have other things that you sell it with when people come?
No, then unless you buy fish.
So you sell banku only with
sardine,
things like
yeah.
sardine and
Condensed beef,
and those things.
mackerel and things.
So when I buy the banku, I can go to another person
You
and
can
then
buy smoked fish.
okay,
You can buy fried fish.
fried fish.
The fish that you want.
Ah, okay.
There's pork too. So
There's pork.
Yeah.
Pork meat.
Pork meat.
Nice one.
Nice.
Hot. Your food is good.
Thank you.
Camera aside, your food is good.
Thank you.
Like it is really good.
Thank you.
The pepper is special. What do you use for the pepper? What do you have in your pepper?
It's something secret.
Secret, eh?
Yeah.
The pepper, I don't know what about it, but it's so special. It is so good. Now, I'm asking her for the secret of it, the whole recipe. She's telling me that it is her secret. So if you want to try it, and experience what I'm experiencing right now, look for her. When you get here, just ask for her place.
Why also night market? Be actually be also night market. In her banku, ke shitona akpo, ke sabolai, ye sardine ke corned beef ke ni be here. Mo fia mono ba also night market you buy banku. Ba bi ajako banku joint ye be banku kla fine na ke wo ba ni. Wo gan banku ni ye ba ni fine. Wo ko ba also night market e bi gan banku ake wo ba ni.
It is the next place where I see meat behind me. I'm a meat person, so coming to this night market, seeing Aboshi selling meat, let's go have a taste. And yeah, let's see what he has. I'm not too excited yet because I haven't tasted it. I'm not really getting the aroma, but let's get close, taste it, and then see. What's up? What do you have?
Meat, I have
Meat.
guinea fowl.
Guinea fowl. And what?
Cow meat.
You don't have snake?
No, snake.
You don't have snake?
No, I know they like.
You don't do snake?
I know they do snake.
I want snake.
No, I don't like it.
Yeah. What about dog?
Dog, I know that.
You don't do dogs? No goat?
No good.
So if I want goat, I have to go somewhere else. Can I get something to taste?
Why?
All right. Pepper, it has pepper?
I have pepper.
More pepper?
Pepper.
More pepper, okay. And when I eat it, nothing will happen to me.
Nothing will happen.
Nothing.
To you. Nothing.
I'll get big.
I will get
More strength.
More
Yeah.
strength. More
Yeah.
strength. Yeah.
It is good.
You need to go. You cow.
Do you cook it before you
I cook them before I come in.
cook them before you?
I go to some for buy.
Okay. So, I think I need to learn the secret of this meat. First of all, it tastes good. It's spicy though, so if you're not a spice person, you might not like it, but then aside that, I like it, it's good. Yeah. Whenever you're at Osu Night Market, don't forget to try Mohammed's beef and guinea fowl. Before we leave, what do you like to tell the people who are watching right now?
My meat is very different with another meat.
And your meat is
Yeah,
special. Special Mohammed. Special cut Mohammed.
Mohammed. Osu Night Market.
Osu Night Market. When you can look for Mohammed. Mohammed's meat. Everybody know you here, right? I've seen variety of fishes here. I tried bankun there, and now we are about to see different things, taste different food, especially the fishes. So let's get into it and see. Hello, auntie. You understand English? A little bit, right? Okay, all right. So tell us about your place. You can speak Ghana, mix it with English, so that those who are watching, who don't understand Ghana, at least they can get the feel English inside. Yeah? So tell us about your place. Night market. Okay. Blue rubber. So if I come to a night market and I say I'm looking for blue rubber, I'll see you. Everybody knows you here. If I come, blue rubber, shout, everybody will come to you. Okay, so she has just mentioned a place. Blue rubber. What do you sell? What kind of fish? I see fish over there. What kind of fish do you sell here?
Bobwe and Teleria fish. Tilapia, shrimps.
Okay. So you come here, just say you are looking for blue rubber, and you see here, just by here is a kenke seller. So you can order your kenke, and then you come here and get your fish, your shrimps, and thank you that you've come to experience how the nightlife market is with me. Don't forget to subscribe. It is the Ghanaian nightlife. It is the night culture with our people, food. We tour in Ghana, and we are still in Accra.